Alright everyone, today we'll be unboxing the M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch with 16GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD. And it's a beast of a computer. And the best part of this Mac is you don't need to cut the box in order to get the Mac out of the box. It's very simple, so easy. But it was not so nice, a little greasy, I know that, but it's okay. It's okay, we can get inside of the Mac and we can get the Mac. And I bought the Mac from the Jump Plus. As you can see that the Mac is from the Jump Plus and it's M1 and there is something written CTO, I don't know what that is. And here's the specification, not too important. I'm so excited. Anyway, just move out the poly, then we'll get the Mac inside, and that's very amazing. The box of this MacBook Pro is also very premium. Previously I used to use the MacBook Air 2017 version, which is also very good. It still helped me so much. All my videos on my YouTube channel is being edited on the MacBook Air, but in the MacBook Pro 2020 with the M1 chip, it's gonna be much more faster, much more efficient, much more amazing. I know that. You guys also know that because it's a better computer, better machine. You get a lot of things. It's just next level. Okay, the worst part of the MacBook M1 is that you only get the Type-C port, and two Type-C port is only at the same side. You don't get the USB-A port. At least you get the headphone jack. I'm happy about that one. If they don't give us, what can I do? Okay, we're done with the box. You see, we move out the box. Now you can see not the box, the top of the box, and now we get the M1 Mac, which is gorgeous looking, very amazing looking. Okay, if you want to peel up, just pick the poly head and just pull it up. So easy, very cool to touch, very cool to touch. Okay, just express the feeling. Anyway, move this one. Now we get our charger. The charger is inside, but at first we get our designed by Apple in California, and next we get our 61-watt charger. And another thing we also get is the cable. The cable is Type-C to Type-C. At least they provide the charger with this M1 Mac, not like the iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro Max. They don't provide the charger. If they didn't provide, then we had to buy it for another more money, $50-60. This time we get the silver sticker with the silver Mac. Not the silver, it's the space gray. Sorry, I forgot, it's the space gray. Why don't you go inside? Please go inside. Anyway, I think the white one looks good. I'm just getting too biased. Time to open this Mac. We just need to peel this thing up. We can peel. You see the Type-C port both at the same side. At least they have the headphone jack. I'm happy with that one. Can't do that much. Okay, I wish I had a USB Type-A port. Just time to move this one. And here's the Type-C port. I think I have a little bit of juice left on the MacBook Pro M1. If I have no juice, that's why it's safe to plug in the cable. It went a little gross, just move it out. And out of the poly, this time the Apple logo doesn't grow. For some years on the MacBook Pro, even on the MacBook Air version on the 2018, I think so, they don't have the lighting or the glowing Apple logo anymore. I really like that one. If I compare the size with my MacBook Air 2017 version, then we can see that the MacBook Pro 13-inch is smaller. But actually, if we're talking about the display size, the MacBook Pro 13-inch and the MacBook Air are same size, 13.3. Once you just turn on the lid, you get the sound and your Mac is turned on. Try not to talk. Still I talk. Okay. It looks amazing. So that was the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you guys really did, be sure to sub.